Which video was filmed in 4K 30 frames per second and filmed in 4K 60 frames per second with the Neo 2? We'll find out next. Hey there, this is Mike with Drone Passport. Thank you very much for joining me for this video presentation. As always, I appreciate you taking time to be able to join me. Right now at my location, it has been raining. We are getting rain from the remnants of a tropical storm that was near Texas the other day. And right now it's coming in over us, which means we're going to have heavy rains for the next I don't know, about 18 hours. We have a flood watch until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. So not exactly an ideal day to fly drones. However, earlier today, it was ideal, although the winds were very heavy at 26 miles per hour at 300 feet above ground level. And over the past couple of days, I have been testing with the Neo 2. Now, one of the drone content creators who I really like and respect a lot is Russ from 51 Drones. And he has a video here, and I'll provide a link in the description here with regard to the settings on how to get better video with your Neo 2. So I attempted to do that and earlier today, right before the rains hit. And I used some of those settings. Now, the premise of this video is, are you able to tell if the video that you're seeing is in 4K 60 frames per second, or is it in 4K 30 frames per second? Now, the way that you view this particular video you may not be able to tell the difference, because if you're on your phone, they'll probably look exactly the same. Or if you're on a computer, they'll probably look the same. A 4K television will probably give you a better idea of how things look. But regardless, I just want to see exactly if there is a noticeable comparison between 4K 30 and 4K 60. So that's the premise here. I'm going to show the two videos back to back. They will be labeled as video 1 and video 2. They will not be identified by their characteristics. The object is to see which one had the better video quality. All right, that's our mission here today. But enough of my words. Let's get to it. All right, so which one had the better quality? The 30 frames per second or the 60 frames per second? Or were you able to tell a difference? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to get your feedback. So one additional point of information I want to provide regarding these two flights. I received high wind warnings during each flight. The one thing that I noticed is that the gimbal stayed stable on both videos. That was quite remarkable. And as it's been said, this is quite a durable drone, and it's no short of a miracle as an engineering feat. There was one reviewer out there who referred to this drone as a toy. This is not a toy. This is far superior than a toy. This is a living, breathing drone for aerial videography, photography. Yes, if you want to do shots of yourself and do all the functions within the quick shots realm, certainly you can do all of that. And of course, you can use it as an FPV drone as well. So, I mean, the opportunities are seemingly endless in terms of how to utilize this drone. I haven't gotten into the FPV part yet, and it's probably going to take me a while to get to that comfort level because I really have to be in a wide open space and I need to have a spotter with me and all of those things. But anyway, the point is the video quality was really outstanding in both instances in terms of stabilization. So this is a remarkable engineering feat by the folks at DJI. But then again, we don't expect anything less from DJI. But anyway. All right, so let me say in closing to those of you who subscribe to this channel, I appreciate you being a part of this. I am sincerely flattered that you are a part of this, and I really do appreciate all of your support. If you're not a subscriber, I invite you to join me and be a part of these flights and other things that I may review and other random thoughts and what have you. So if you don't mind, please consider subscribing. I would appreciate you hopping on board and being a part of this. And finally, in closing, for everyone, if you could give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that. Thank you. All right, so we'll close it out and say thank you again. This is Mike with Drone Passport. It's hard to get used to that name. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.